In this video, we break down the biggest leaks and rumors around the upcoming Insta360 Ace Pro 3, including the possible 1-inch sensor upgrade, 50MP resolution rumors, Leica color science tuning, 8K recording improvements, thermal management, upgrades, expected release date in the first half of 2026, and how it could compete directly with DJI Osmo Action 6 and GoPro Hero 13 Black. We analyze whether this is a real flagship leap or just another small refresh in the action camera market. What if Insta360 does not play safe this time? What if they skip a small refresh and drop a true flagship shockwave? Not a simple spec bump. Not a firmware trick, a real jump in image quality that changes everything. A true flagship move. The rumors around the Ace Pro 3 are bold. They suggest something much bigger than a normal upgrade. This could be Insta360's most powerful action camera ever. And it may directly challenge the biggest names in the market. The battle against giants right now, the competition is serious. DJI keeps improving stability and battery life. GoPro keeps refining software and ecosystem strength. Insta360 now seems ready to attack with pure image quality. The 1-inch sensor rumor. The strongest leak talks about a larger 1-inch type sensor. Some reports even suggest around 50 megapixels. And even more interesting, Leica color science tuning. If true, this is not a small change. Why sensor size matters. This is not about resolution numbers. It is about better dynamic range. It is about cleaner shadows and stronger highlights. It is about less noise in low light scenes. Low light could change. Forever imagine dusk bike rides with less grain. Indoor gym shots that look cleaner and sharper. Sunset travel clips with balanced sky and skin tones. A bigger sensor changes real-world results. Looking back at Ace Pro. The current Ace Pro 2 already uses a 1.3-inch sensor. It supports 8K recording with strong HDR processing. Sharpness is impressive in daylight conditions. But users still want more refinement. User demands are clear. Many creators asked for better thermal control, longer recording without overheating warnings, more stable high frame rate 4K modes, and more natural color without heavy AI sharpening. 8K and refined. 4K 120 FPS rumors say 8K recording will remain, but the focus may shift to efficiency and stability. Refined 4K 120 FPS could be more usable this time. Better image pipeline processing could be the key. Thermal management matters. Powerful sensors generate heat. Heat limits recording time. Recording limits frustrate creators. Better cooling could define success. DJI's strategy, DJI's Osmo Action 6, focuses on balance. It reportedly uses a larger square sensor design. Battery life and stability are top priorities. DJI builds cameras for real-world reliability. GoPro's Strength GoPro Hero 13. Black refines hyper-smooth stabilization. It improves vertical shooting flexibility. Its accessory ecosystem is massive. Workflow integration is one of its biggest advantages. What Ace Pro 3 must do. Matching specs is not enough. The footage must look noticeably better, cleaner dusk shots, better indoor performance, less aggressive sharpening, and more natural tones. The color science factor Leica tuning could bring natural skin tones. Balanced contrast without artificial processing. Flatter profiles for serious color grading. This would attract advanced creators. Stabilization. Is critical image quality alone will not win. Stabilization must remain strong and reliable. Cropping should not be extreme. Field of view must stay wide and usable. Real-world performance wins. Action cameras are used in tough situations. Heat, movement, water, and dust are normal. Creators need consistency, not just specs. Reliability builds long-term trust. Expected release. Date. All signs point to the first half of 2026. If rumors hold, we could see a launch between Q1 and Q2. Early access footage may appear online before official release. This will be a crucial moment for Insta360. Can Insta360 reset expectations? If the 1-inch sensor rumor is true, this is huge. If thermal control improves, even bigger. If color science becomes more natural, it changes the game. But execution must be perfect. My honest opinion, this feels like Insta360's big moment. They have innovation on their side. If they deliver true image improvement, they can compete at the top. But real-world footage will decide everything. Do you think Insta360 can outshoot DJI and GoPro this round? Will Ace Pro 3 be a real flagship shockwave, or just another incremental upgrade? Share your thoughts below. If you like this kind of deep tech breakdown, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon so you never miss the next big leak and analysis.